That's the clean water. That's the clean water. That's where the wife fill it up with hot water, and this is where the dirty water goes at. And she uses OxyClean. She'll put some back there, as you can see. And what we do here, we put this here like that, and then we put the clean water here like that. And nice shampoo machine is got wifey doing some shampoo on the carpet. She always do that at least once a month to keep the carpet. Get you a Hoover carpet cleaner, pretty good. As you can see there, that's the water, pretty dirty. Imagine that. She cleans it at least once a month. Imagine those people that don't clean the carpet, shampoo the carpet, how they look. I hope you like this video.